Welcome to Little Girl Big World. Today I am going to teach you how to make a mannequin. You'll need a fitted shirt, duct tape, scissors, and newspaper. First, wrap your partner's stomach with duct tape. Then start below the bra and work down to the waist. Work slow to ensure your partner has breathing room. When you get to the edge, leave 1 to 2 inches of the shirt. Create a V-shaped neckline. Feel free to overlap previous work to create a stronger mold. Then tape the rest of the shirt by following the V-shape. Yep, that's me trying to be a robot. Cut the back, start from the bottom. Follow the spine. When finished, remove the mannequin and tape the back. Start taping the inside. Avoid overlapping flaps to maintain its shape. Then do the same on the outside. Tape the bottom of the mannequin. Then stuff newspaper into the top neck area. When finished, tape the neck and armholes.